The Roku SE and the Roku Express are the most affordable options Roku has to offer. But are they really that different? Let's find out. The Roku SE was specifically made for Walmart for the Black Friday sale for $20. Now, is this Roku any different? Well, in the box you're gonna find the HDMI cable, the power cord, the power brick, a pair of batteries, the Roku itself, and a controller, alongside a sticky tape to put next to your TV. The standout feature in this Roku SE is that the Roku itself is white. I tried to look for any differences, but I couldn't find it. In fact, it is a very nice white. It is very plasticky white, more of a pearl color. At the same time, the controller is pretty much identical to any other Roku controller. There is no headphone jack, by the way. The Roku Express now, it comes in a little bit different packaging. As you can see the Roku itself from the plastic box, unlike the Roku SE, which was kind of hidden, and in fact I didn't even know how it would look like. Inside the box you're gonna find pretty much the same: your HDMI cable, power cord, power brick, a pair of batteries, the controller, the Roku Express, which is black, and your Roku sticky tape. Both the Roku SE and the Roku Express are fairly small. The only difference here is that the Roku Express is black. As I previously stated, it does feel fairly plasticky, so when you hold it in your hand it feels like you're holding a piece of paper, and it is very, very hollow. Both the Roku SE and the Roku Express are practically identical. There is no physical difference between the two. The only thing that is different that I could find is the price. One is $10 more and one is $10 less. So maybe there was a performance difference within the insides. As you can see in the screen, I tried to test both of the Rokus. I was trying to find any difference between the two. Maybe one was slower, maybe one was faster. I expected the Roku SE to lag a lot since, well, it's less, but I couldn't find any difference. They both had the same load speeds, so I had a suspicion that maybe they were both the same Roku. And I was correct. Both of them are the same model of the Roku Express, which I am okay with that because they're both fairly fast. The Roku SE and the Roku Express are identical to one another. The only difference that one is a lot cheaper than the other. I'll leave the link down below, or stop by your local Walmart if you want to pick up one of these. So tell me, were you one of those lucky people to grab one of the Roku SE, and is the Roku Express worth the price difference? Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.